Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Yeah, it's a boy at Kaduna Pikin. Actually, I've been receiving lots of questions from so many people on how I make videos for TikTok, how I can add a tweet to a video background and then upload on TikTok. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you simple steps on how to do that. So first of all, you need to get your tweets separate, the video you want to use as a background separate. So let's say you already have a video, you intend to add the tweet as a sticker on it. So first of all, you get the video and then you probably go to Twitter to get the tweet. So let's say this is the tweet I want to use. So I will screenshot this tweet and then I'll edit and crop it to the size I wish to use as a sticker. So let's say this is the size I wish to use. So after cropping the tweet, so you will now go back to InShot. You need to download this app, an app called InShot from the Play Store. You have to download it first. Then you open this InShot app, click on video, then you add new. So the video you intend to use as a background for your tweets would already be on your gallery. So let's say I'm using this video. I'll select this video and then it takes me back to InShot, which means I've uploaded the video. So but then usually the video will be uploaded in a different format which might not be used on TikTok. So you need to click on this canvas and then you select TikTok. It will definitely be either on Instagram or no frame or any of the format. So you have to select TikTok to take it back to the size which is acceptable on TikTok. So I click good here and then select it. So you need to remove this this watermark for InShot, which is probably because it's just a free app and then they are doing their advert. So it's an advert for InShot. So you need to click on this small X to remove this sticker. So when you click to remove it, usually it takes time. I don't know what's wrong with the option, but so you have to wait for all these adverts, I think, for a period of about how many seconds. Let me see. Okay, you have to allow the adverts.
Learning about things like management and online marketing can help you reach your goals. But you're busy being the owner, manager, salesperson, cashier, and delivery person for your company. Who has the time to learn anything these days? Well, you do.
It's because it's a free app, so you have to wait for this advert to finish first. So the advert is on. You click X, you get your reward. So you get to see that the watermark for InShot is out now. So next thing you do is you go to sticker, which is the third icon there. So you click on sticker in order to upload the tweet which you've cropped and then you wish to upload or you wish to add to this video background. So you select the sticker, then you go to this second icon which shows your gallery. You click on it, it takes you to where you can go to your gallery now to add the tweet. So you click on this plus sign, it takes you to your gallery straight. So let me look for the tweet I just cropped now. So here is the tweet, you can see it here. So you can click and drag it to any part of the video or part of the page you want to leave it there. So you click on this edit icon, click on this second icon that has small box. That's the second icon actually. So you drag this to the concentration you want, to the level of concentration you want of the tweet. So you can see now it's a little bit transparent. So if you reduce it to this side, it will be more transparent. But then let me see if I can leave it on 70. 72 is still okay by me. At least I can still read the tweet and then the video will still be in the background. It's transparent. So you can drag this to increase the size of the tweets. You can see I can drag it, then drag it to this. Now I can leave it on this part of the video. So I'll select. Good, that's all, I'm done. So when you finish adding the sticker, you need to make sure you drag this to the end of the video so that the sticker remains from beginning of the video to the end of the video. So I click done. That's all. The video has the tweet has been uploaded on the video as a sticker, and then you can see it's a little bit transparent. So let me play it for you. That's all. You can see the video is playing, and then the tweet is transparent enough for you to still see the video. So you click on save, select saved.
Where does the money come from?
The reason why we're seeing all these adverts is because it's a free app, so definitely you'll be seeing all these adverts. So let's skip the video.
Just that, yes.
So I think the video has finished saving. So you click on save to actually save it to your gallery. So I click on home page, and then it takes me back to home page. So we're done with the video, and then adding the tweet as a sticker, and then making the sticker transparent enough for you to still see the video on the tweet. So next you go back to TikTok.
Who they check?
So when you go back to TikTok,
Who get the mind? Who want check out?
you go
You know
back
why is it-
to, let me say, any video you wish to use the sound. So let's say I'll be using this sound. So I click on this to use this sound. So what you need to do now is to go back now to upload the video which you just created on InShot app. So I select this video, upload. The video initially does not have any sound in the background, so definitely that's all. We're done. You can go back to next, and then you add your caption or whatever you wish to, and then you upload your video on TikTok. That's all. If you find this video helpful, please click on the like, comment, and ask any question on anything you don't understand. I'll be here to reply you. Thank you.